Hey there guys, I'm Bo Lorenzen, and today I'm about to show you a quick little unbox. I want to see how unboxing in 180 works and feels. So I have a Pavo360 from Beta FPV right here, and I'm going to try to pop it open. The camera is right about 3 feet right now, and here's some extra propellers first of all. They go in here. It's a little menu card. You can QR code scan the backside there. So I'm reaching out about 2 feet towards the camera. And inside the box, I have a very nicely kind of cut foam case is where we find this beast. This has 4 motors, 4 major fans right here, and up on the front is a DJI air unit, which is actually not the DJI but a similar air unit. One of the catches with this, to bind it, you need to take this top plate off, get inside, and push the bind key inside, which is a bit of a tricky situation to put the least. So this is the thing, it has 2 batteries here. You pop in 2 batteries at a time. I've got a couple more on the charger, and then you have to connect all of these and then drop the camera in. So let's move on to the 360 camera. This one comes back down here, like that. Spare props. And move right along to the camera. Here is the camera. There. So this is actually, it's the SMO 360, as you can see, according to beta, but it's actually a 360 camera. And here it is. I still have the film on, and what they did differently than the original Instant 360 R camera out of the box, they made this box wider, so there's more space between these 2 cameras, so that the drone can be thicker in between without showing up in the video. So this thing here does not have its own battery. It's super light, and they've saved most of the weight to make it lighter and easier to fly. You need to power it up from the bird, and then you basically, I suggest just hit the record button on this, and at the end you need to recover the video and stitch into 360 as with a normal Instant 360. So that's it, that's the kit, and I'm about to put some batteries on the charger, and in another video we're going to take this little pile flying and have a good time with it. So stay tuned. And if you watch this far, please, below here, give me some thoughts about doing unboxings and reviews in VR. Is it even worth it? What do you think? Sound off, write a note below. Stay tuned for more videos.